Pull it. Pull it and let it go.
Watch it go.
Don't hold those. Flip it. Flip it. Oh, Lex. What happened? It went down, so you have to get another ball, okay? Get another ball. Grab another ball with the plunger. Over here. Grab over there with the plunger. Yeah. Go ahead, do it. Pull back, let go. Yeah, do it real hard. We'll have to wait for the. There you go.
I got my